Good afternoon, everyone. Brian Olmetz, Finance Manager, Russ Darrow Mazda Greenfield. Just wanted to reach out and talk to you a little about gap insurance or total loss protection today. A lot of people aren't really familiar with what that product entails. What it does is, in the event your vehicle is deemed a total loss, accident, theft, fire, something that's not even your fault, and you still owe X, insurance pays off Y. Gap is going to cover that difference for you. It's so important nowadays, especially with what's going on in the market, with all pricing being up there. Unless you're putting a very substantial amount of money down, you're not going to be in an equity situation. It's very inexpensive to protect your vehicle. It's so important anytime you lease a vehicle. Manufacturers make sure you have gap or total loss protection already included because they want to protect themselves as well as you, the consumer. So any other further questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, Brian, Russ Darrow Mazda Greenfield. We're always here for any questions you have. Thank you.